Good morning, students. This video is for class 4 maths, and today we will start a new chapter, that is perimeter and area. So, to understand about perimeter and area, we have to have idea about perimeter and area. So, suppose what is the difference between perimeter and area? If this is a field, when you talk about the outline boundary, whatever you do in the outline boundary, you want to fence, that means you want to put a barrier, you want to make a boundary wall, you go for jogging. So these are perimeter, that means when you take only the outline boundary to do the work, that means you don't use the full field, full place, that is perimeter. But when you use the whole place, that is area. So suppose if you go for jogging, morning walk, you go to the field, you don't walk in the whole field zigzagly, that means you don't cover the whole field, you just run in the outline boundary of the field. So that is perimeter. Now if they ask you about area, if you want to label it, suppose if you take your room and that room is fully marbled, that means you have put tiles or marble on the floor, that means you have walked on the whole space, that is area. So if you talk about the outline boundary, that is perimeter. When you talk about the whole space, that is area. So this is the difference between area and perimeter. Now to find out the perimeter, they have, for now in class 4, they did not give you find out the perimeter of rectangle, find out the perimeter of square, find out the perimeter of triangle. They have only given you to find out the perimeter. So when you find out the perimeter of a given figure, whichever figure they give you, so perimeter of a given figure, if they ask you to find out sum of all the given sides, so if you add the measurement, you length of the sides, you will automatically get the perimeter. So like for example, suppose if I give you one figure, suppose, so any figure, if I tell you to find out the perimeter, suppose this is 7 centimeter, this is 3 centimeter, this is 2 centimeter, this is 5 centimeter, 1 centimeter, here 4 centimeter, here 3 centimeter. Suppose this is just an example. So to find out the given perimeter of the given figure, what you have to do, first you have to write the formula. Perimeter of a given figure is equal to sum of all the sides. Now from where you are starting, just put a point, so that when you add in a series in a manner, you don't take the measurement again. Suppose if you forget from where you have started, then you will take 7 twice. So it's better you mark there and then you write 7 centimeter plus 5 centimeter plus 2 serially, go serially, plus 1 centimeter plus 3 centimeter plus 4 centimeter plus 3 centimeter. Then you add 5 plus 7 plus 5 12, 12 plus 2 14, 14 plus 1 15, 15 plus 3 18, 18 plus 9 22, 22 plus 25 centimeter. This is how you find out the perimeter. So I hope all of you have understood. See, we have only added the total length of the outline boundary and we got the perimeter. But if they ask you about area, you have to measure the whole space enclosed in that figure. So I hope all of you have understood this, children. So for today, let us keep it till here. In the next class, we will start with the exercise. So for today, up to this much. Thank you, class.